What is maintenance inventory management? Inventory management is an attempt to have the right stock, in the right place, at the right time, and at the right cost. The goal is to minimize cost by helping facilities know when to purchase more inventory based on normal usage rates. The way you define inventory depends on your industry. For a retail store, inventory is the products the store is trying to sell customers, like suits or dresses. When it comes to maintenance, inventory is the parts used to make assets function properly, like motors, bearings, fans or filters. The aim for maintenance teams is to have the right inventory on hand in the right amounts to repair or improve assets, while also considering the space available in their budgets and storerooms.